Hello everyone, this is Tushar Ramnan back at you from 99 Workouts Season 2. We've been having such amazing guests on this platform, and it's giving me an opportunity to meet all my old friends as well. And अगर आपको एक जरिया चाहिए, अगर अपने पुराने दोस्तों से मिलना और जो बहुत ही मोटिवेशनल हैं, अपने जो अलग अलग प्रोफेशंस में हैं लेकिन ये टाइम निकालते हैं वर्कआउट और एक्सरसाइज के लिए, ये कैसा होता है, ये कैसे पॉसिबल है, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? लेट्स फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम आवर गेस्ट फॉर दिस वीक. I know you must be thinking who can it be, but believe me, some people give you a lot of direction in life through their own experience. So this is a special person I want you all to meet today. So just follow me and see this beautiful girl whom I'm about to meet and introduce you. So you have to watch this episode. Yeah? Hi Rita.
Nice to meet you.
My pleasure, and I'm so glad this is Rita. Rita को मैं शायद 20 से 25 साल से जानता हूँ. Yeah, so it's been 20-25 years. I know, as you might have seen, most of all the people who are featured on 99 Workouts are friends who have known for more than 2 decades. There's a very strong reason behind it, because I know that they have stuck, they have grown, and they've done various things, and their experience really counts today. So let's start our conversation with Rita and her journey. She has got a very nice fitness journey as well. So let's see how she finds time to exercise. Can you have a seat?
Yes,
I come
please.
to- yeah.
Of course.
I'm like a director today from the director's chair.
Definitely.
Or let me just. Yeah. Hi Rita.
Hi.
Well, where do I start? I'm sure I met you in such a long gap, and I see that there are a lot of changes which has happened in your life.
Yes.
So Rita, tell me, how did you start? How did you land up in such a beautiful profession?
Well, I am always passionate. मैं हमेशा passionate हुई करती थी अपने field के लिए. तो ये एक ज़रिया है जहाँ पर मेरी passion और मेरी work एक साथ जब आ जाता है तो मुझे मेरी ज़िंदगी एक मकसद रहती है.
Right.
So I know that if you love your job, then definitely it's not a job for you. You
Right.
know. So I've been into this field for the past 20 years as
Right.
well, and I've been quite happy with it.
Right.
And where my fitness routine is concerned, it's been quite a long journey. I've been through my shares of ups and downs, and as I'm sure a lot of you as well would have been through the same thing. पर मेरी कहानी थोड़ी सी अलग है.
Right.
So यहाँ पर मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि I've been a cancer survivor as well. I had cancer where I suffered with cervical cancer and endometrial adenocarcinoma when I was in 2009. And then when I was detected, I'd gone through my chemotherapy, and I went through an operation just about last year, which is called the gastro sleeve by Dr. Shashank. And it's been a wonderful journey, but during that 2009 till around 2019, it has been a very very difficult journey. मेरे लिए इतनी आसान नहीं था, क्योंकि उसी समय पर 2017 में मेरी प्यारी मम्मी चली गई, और 2019 में मेरे beloved पापा चले गए. तो it is not easy for us to kind of cope with when you lose your loved ones. Now, but that has also been a strength for us and strength for me for where my journey is concerned. So, where in 2019, I had taken a massive decision of doing a gastric sleeve surgery with a minimally invasive hysterectomy, and then in that, I've realized that that journey is not just about the operation. It was also about correcting your lifestyle, correcting every aspect of what you are doing. It kind of forces you to take on a right habit as well. So the maintenance was a lot of energy. It still meant that I needed to go for my walks. It still meant that I needed to take in my diet seriously. So with the entire proper guidance and the system that came into place, I definitely worked it out very well.
Well, you're watching 99 Workouts Season 2 with Rita Verma. She is handling SMA Academy, which is a professional academy. SMA का full form है Scandinavian Makeup Academy, right?
Yes.
Okay, यहाँ पे काफी लोग ट्रेनिंग के लिए आते हैं and you have classes going on
Yes.
apparently every day. So how's the response to this as far as people coming up to take up this profession?
Well, सबसे पहले एक बात ये है कि actually I'm in joint venture with the Scandinavian Makeup Academy, and Scandinavian Makeup Academy has a regime of training students, makeup artists or aspiring makeup artists, to work on a very international global level. So the knowledge is not just about India, but it's also as to how the makeup industry works, from understanding ingredients to understanding textures to understanding how are you supposed to work as a professional makeup artist. Now, we have a lot of students that come to us. When it comes down to giving them jobs, we don't directly give them jobs because as usual, it's a creative industry. So we always make sure that we guide them exactly how it is supposed to go ahead. This field is extremely, extremely sensitive as well. So it does become very, very important for us to recognize real talent that passes out from our schools. And that's where our team comes into place. We have a fabulous team. We have an excellent support from our partners as well as my husband also is the CEO of the company. And Hildy Marie Johansson and Eva Bartis Thompson, who are my partners as well, and Nikolai Bartis Thompson, who is the CFO of the company as well. So we have a very strong management team that makes sure the quality of the school as well as the academy and the regime of training is A quality.
आपने सुना in this show a lot of people of course talk about their inside stories and they are some of them are not so outspoken, but Rita has been very outspoken about her journey and wants the world to know. This is really motivating in terms that it comes as a very real person, and people who come to follow her get motivated. Well, I have a fitness question to ask you. You lost a lot of weight, right?
Yes.
And most of the people in this profession, they end up having cervical and lumbar issues.
Yes.
Is that true? Like because they have to stand all the time. And
Yes.
काफी सुनने को आता है कि उनका neck के problems होते हैं, back के
Back
problem होते हैं.
problems.
Is this common?
Yes, it's very common for makeup artists as well as hairstylists because the hours that is required for them to stand is minimal 7 to 8 hours. Sometimes it could be 12 hours on their feet. So, there is a small exercise that you can do in generally what I prefer, what I've been told also by my doctors. In generally, if you don't mind, I could show it to you as well. So generally when I'm standing, so normally when we are standing, we don't stand with, if you are a client, say for example, and I'm working on you, so you could probably have a seat and I could show how exactly a makeup artist would perform.
Right.
So generally we are constantly working in this way. Sometimes the chair could be down and then we have to, really get down. So the stress is literally on the back, on the lower back. So most of the times what we do is that whenever they can take at least after an hour, they take a break and they can just do their exercise where they just stretch completely and then go down. But they have to literally stretch their back and then make sure that when they're getting up, they just curve their back completely. So then the entire spine gets a little flexible.
Right.
So at least that little bit of flexibility and that little bit of stretches if they can do, then it would kind of keep a control on their stiffness.
Right.
So the stiffness doesn't happen. But it's true, there is a certain amount that they cannot control.
Right.
So for that, workouts and yoga exercises as well as stretching exercises are the only best way that I can recommend in general.
तो आपने सुना, you just heard, Rita is a cancer survivor, and of course when you see her now, until unless she talks about it, I'm sure none of us would ever imagine that she's been through a lot of things in her life. And she demonstrated a little bit of workout. आपने देखा कि ये generally सुनने में आता है कि makeup artists and hairstylists always have neck issues and back issues. फिर बाद में उनको बहुत problem हो जाता है in the longer run. So little bit of exercise, you know, bending, forward bending, stretching.
Yeah, neck exercises where they just do a little bit of stretching.
Right.
So they got to keep doing this all the time. But don't do it in front of the client, but
Right.
definitely they could do it like afterwards or something.
Right. Okay, Rita, tell me something. It's 2020 now. We've had like a big pandemic issue and things like that.
Yes.
How do you see the future of this academy, like this profession?
I
Is it
think
going to be a boom in 2021? Do you foresee like that?
Absolutely, Tushar. I think this is one of the fields, like even in terms of where training is concerned, educational field in general. Not only education in makeup, but also education in any field where, you know, this is the transition phase, I would say. According to me, from what we feel, that this is a transition phase where a lot of people who have always thought of transitioning or doing something creative but never could because they were so committed to their work. But now, because of this, you know, the mindsets have changed because they've been sitting at home. A lot of working class women who now think that makeup artistry can be a part of their field. There is a lot of changes. Like when we do get a lot of inquiries, there's a lot of housewives, as a matter of fact, and a lot of students who are not just studying in different fields, but they want to take up makeup artistry. So we always wonder why. Sometimes when we interview them, we always ask them, what is the main reason that you want to become a makeup artist? And they said, because it gives us the freedom of becoming a boss of our own. You know, I want to be able to have my own business, have my own name one day, create my own brand one day. And this does give a flexibility of this sort. Now, where I foresee where the makeup industry is concerned, I really think that the makeup industry will not die. The makeup cosmetic industry is something that we have in our daily lives.
Right.
So it's impossible that it's going to vanish from our lives. Yes, there are going to be situations where we are going to take extra precaution. Those hygiene rules and their protocols that would be followed. But besides that, I don't see it dying at all. I think it's going to go more than than any other industry would.
आपने सुना that itself is so much of positivity. The reason being is the person who I'm sitting with is a positive person with a positive energy. She's had so much of physical issues, health issues. She's overcome. She's lost weight. Rita, what is your message for, especially for women who are obese and who are still thinking of working out? Because this year, people who made resolution, the year has gone as a 0 year, you know. So it's 2021 is like going to be an actual restart
Yes,
in our lives altogether.
It is.
What is your message for men and women who are just thinking about, who are physically all okay but still thinking that we should lose weight?
Okay. Now my message is very clear. It's if you want to think about it now, just immediately do it and forget about the negative thoughts. Don't pay attention too much to it because you're never going to land up doing it. It's tried and tested before. So if you have a thought of changing your life, do it now. Don't waste time. Because if you're going to question it, you're bound to not take it up. So don't question it. Go ahead right away. There's nobody that's going to stop you from doing it except for yourself. So, why do you think negative? Just have one life. You have one chance. Might as well make the most of it, guys.
Thank you so much, Rita.
Thank you.
I think it's just so wonderful, and that to be here. आप लोग जरूर आइएगा. SMA Academy is in Delhi, Bangalore, and in Pune.
Yes.
I've seen a lot of these places only in magazines and in movies, but this is the first experience where I'm sitting, and believe me, when I walked in, I was like, wow, does something like this exist in Pune? Well, you have to come here, meet the person who's at the desk, who's in the room, who will welcome you. That's Rita. She's got so much of positivity in her.
Thank
And of course, she's a great friend to me, which will always continue being as we are for years to come. And please keep on watching 99 Workouts, because that's where you meet people who are really inspirational and also have motivational message. Because if you don't learn from them, believe me, you will never learn anything. That's what I say. So keep watching 99 Workout Season 2 because the next guest is going to be equally interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.